Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a few of my recent buys and I'm gonna try them out with you on camera today. I got all of this makeup right here and I created this look today from one of these palettes, and yeah, if you are interested, please keep on watching. This is the palette and it's called the Berries by Juvia's Place, and once you open it up you get this plastic sheet and here are the shades. I think that these are really pretty shades and this is a really nice one toned palette, like as the name says, berries. I think these are some really pretty shades. I'm very excited to try this palette. The shadows don't have any name, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm using. I'm going in with this light pink shade first. I really wish that this palette had one mirror because I feel like if you're traveling with just this palette, some of you might prefer to have a mirror, and personally I always have, like, I don't ever carry just one eyeshadow palette whenever I'm going on a vacation. So I do have other palettes which have mirrors, so it's not really a huge issue. But yeah, if you are going for just a one-day trip and you really want to have one eyeshadow palette, it would be really nice if they had a mirror. I'm just blending this light pink shade out. This is gonna be my transition shade, guys. I'm like barely touching it and it already has so much pigmentation. I've used Juvia's Place palettes before and I really like the pigmentation and everything, and that's why I just decided to buy this palette. It retailed for 1150. I got it on sale from internationalmakeup.in. I link it down below, and I feel like this was a really great price for like 6 shadows. And even though the pans are smaller than the regular Juvia's Place palette, this is a really good amount, and honestly you will probably never run out of like an eyeshadow palette, especially of this size. It will take you a long time to finish this. These small palettes are just so cute. I'm changing my brush. I'm taking a smaller brush. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like a deep berry shade. Yeah, it is becoming really difficult to change the palette and take a different thing for a mirror, but it's fine. I don't mind it. Okay, look at that pigment, guys. It's brighter than I was expecting. The shadow looks really dark in the pan, but it's translating here, like it's pretty bright. This palette was actually my friend's. We ordered it together. I actually told her to buy this because I'm so obsessive with I'm so obsessive on Instagram. Like, I keep checking all these Instagram pages, Instagram makeup pages, for like good deals and like really good sales and everything. The price was really good, so I just told my friend to buy it with me. And yeah, oh my god, the color is so bright. Since this shade was brighter than I was expecting, like look at that, guys. This is the color here and this is what it looks like in the pan. It's so different, and so that's why I'm gonna use this shade just to deepen this look a little bit. See, that's better. This is much accurate. As I was saying, I got this berry palette for my friend. She really likes pinks, as do I, but I have too many pinks currently, so yeah, I decided not to buy the berries palette. And what I got is this mauves palette by Juvia's Place. This is what it looks like on the outside, and on the inside, guys, it came broken. And I know that I said I have too many pinks, but these are like mauves. I really don't have many cool toned pinks, and that's why I got this palette. Unfortunately, it came broken and I was actually really sad about it, but I'm gonna fix it. And I did talk to International Makeup and they said that they would refund like 15% of the amount, so that's good. So yeah, I was supposed to film this video using the mauves palette, but since it came broken, I asked my friend if I could use her palette for this video. So everybody say thank you, Mitali. She was kind enough to let me use this palette. She is just the best. Now I'm just gonna take this shade right here. It's such a pretty shade, guys. It like changes color. So it's pink to brown. Let's go ahead and apply it. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Guys, that looks so pretty. One thing that I do feel is that I need something on the inner corners just to brighten this look up. And for that I'm gonna use the Mauves palette, and I'm just gonna use this shade. Taking this small brush and just gonna go in right here. Okay, so that color clearly has some blue flecks in it, which honestly is not going with the look. How about we just use this highlighter palette, yeah, on the inner corners. Just gonna take some with the same packer brush, and yeah, see, that's really pretty. I haven't been doing my makeup much, and especially not eyeshadow, so I kind of feel like I'm out of practice now, especially on myself. I keep doing makeup on other people, but on me, I've barely worn any makeup this month, guys. Like all of January. It's Feb now, which honestly is so insane. Like we're already in the second month of 2021. Okay, I'm gonna finish the eye look, and I'm also gonna apply the same eyeshadows underneath, and I'll be right back. The makeup is done, and all I have to do is set my face, and for that I'm gonna use this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I got this from Nykaa. I've heard really good things about this fixing spray. So this is the PAC Makeup Fixer with herbal and floral extracts, and it smells really nice because of these extracts. And yeah, let's just go ahead and spray this all over. Oh my god, guys, that's so much. So this spray is really, it has like really tiny droplets. It's like a mist but better. No, it's actually like a deodorant. Okay, let me just dry this down first because I look ridiculous. I'll be back. Yeah, as I was saying, I really like this fixer as of now. It felt so good. I got carried away and I applied too much. It feels so relaxing, and the scent is really nice. It's not super like strong, it's very mellow. This is a 120 ml spray, so it has quite a lot of product inside. And yeah, I feel like for the price it is really nice, and I will let you guys know how I feel about it if my thoughts change. But so far I really like this product. The next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is this cream, which I also purchased from Nykaa. It's the Derma Epithelial Cream. So it's ultra repairing. It's really nice for your acne marks. It claims to fade them, any marks that you have on your body. It has a really small nozzle, and it is a cream consistency, so it's white. And I have been using this for a few days, guys, and so far I really like it. This is how it blends out, and I applied after washing my face, and so far I'm in love with this product. I was using the Clinique Moisture Surge. I feel like this one was too expensive, and it's not really amazing for dry skin because it is a gel consistency, and if you do have combination to dry skin, a cream consistency will suit you better. And yeah, I'm really liking the Derma one, and also it's way cheaper. So this was for like 900 something, and this is 15 ml, and this is 40 ml, and it was for like 750 bucks or something. So you're getting more than double the amount, but it's much better. And I really like that this has a nozzle because I had to dip my hands in this cream, which I feel like wasn't very sanitary, and every time that I did that I was just cringing on the inside. And I ran out of this in like 3 weeks, which I was just like, it's just not worth it for like 900. and you only use it for like 3 weeks. On the first 2-3 days it did feel like a cold cream, but I feel like back then I was applying too much, and that's why it just, like, you know, when you apply a cold cream and you feel your skin sweating, that's the kind of feeling that I got, and I think it was because I was applying too much. Now I am not really having that feeling anymore. Overall, I really like this product and I will definitely be purchasing it again. I feel like my skin is really nice right now. As you can see, I do have some texture here, but honestly that's just part of life. I'm not very concerned about it. It doesn't have any fragrance, so that is also a plus point. I'm actually really happy with my purchases this time on Nykaa. I only got these 2 things, but both of them are so nice. I'm very highly impressed. Next thing that I want to show you is also this perfume that I got from internationalmakeup.in, and guys, I got the Ariana Rem perfume, and that's her right here. And just look how perfect this bottle is. So it actually, so this is a plastic coverage, outer coverage, and this is what the fragrance looks like. It's like a light purple, and I just love the smell so much. I do feel like it is a bit like basic, you know, when you go into a shopper stop and they have the whole perfume section. I don't know why, but this reminds me of that place a lot. But I feel like it's a really nice perfume, and I'm so happy I got it. I love the packaging so much. This was a Christmas gift to me by my parents, so thank you, parents. So I talked to International Makeup and they do pre-order, so if you want anything from Sephora, from Boots, from any place, like most of the places, they do have the option of pre-ordering. So what they did was I sent them the link for this perfume and they told me an estimate about how much it would cost. So this was for £35 on the Boots UK website, and I gave them the link and they told me 4,800 total. And you have to make 70% of the payment before, while you are placing the order, and the other 30% you can either pay by cash on delivery or you can make an online payment. So once they placed the order and once it reached their warehouse, they sent me the message and they told me to make the remaining of the payment, and I opted for cash on delivery. So yeah, they told me that it'll take at least 4 to 6 weeks, but this reached me in like 3 weeks, guys. You know what, I was just reading reviews of this perfume because I was so excited for it. I just kept reading reviews and wondering how it'll smell and just wondering how the packaging will look in real life. So I was just reading reviews one day and I was just like, oh my god, I still have like 2-3 weeks more to go. And the next day they messaged me that it has reached their warehouse in Bombay. So I was really happy about it, and I love that they had super fast delivery. I also ordered the 2 Juvia's Place palette from them, guys. And yeah, that is it for all the new makeup. I know it wasn't a lot, but I was really excited about this eyeshadow palette and I wanted you guys to know about this palette as well. And the sale is so nice, guys. Like 1150 is not a lot, especially for the quality. Also wanted to mention that even though a lot of eyeshadow palettes, they have so many shades, it's not like you can use every shade in that palette, right? Whenever you are purchasing an eyeshadow palette, always look at the shades and see if you will be able to use them, okay? So if that palette has like a lot of whites, so if any palette, for example, has too many of these shades which honestly are of no use, do not buy that palette, guys. And always think about how many of the shades you will actually use. If you are on a budget, always look that up. And in this palette, if you are my skin or deeper, I feel like you can use every single shade in this palette. And look at how that's glistening. It's so pretty. And yeah, always keep that in mind, and I feel like you can use every single shade in this palette. I really wish that they did have just one lighter shimmer, like either this or this. Like I wish this was a bit lighter, but I don't mind. I do feel like this is for people with deeper skin than mine. It's a really nice palette. I'm in love. I'm just gonna go outside and show you what it looks like in the sun. Okay, and we're in the sun, and this is what it looks like. And this is the eye makeup. What do you guys think? I know the eye makeup is really simple and basic today, but today was not about giving you a tutorial. Today was just about reviewing and giving a first impression of the palette, and that's why I went with a really simple look. All I did was applied some kohl and I smudged it out, and I also applied some mascara, and yeah, that was it. Oh my god, just look at how pretty that is. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked this video, please give this a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed and I can keep making similar content. And yeah, I'll see you soon guys. Bye.